Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials. And today we came up with another concept or another topic, I can say, wherein I have seen that we get stuck in various report and dashboards. That is how to change the date format. Because guys, while working as a quality analyst, working as a TL trainer, whatever it is, date formatting plays an important role, guys. It will show the graphs very perfectly if the format is fine. So welcome back, guys. I hope you guys have subscribed our channel. Also click on bell icon and share the channel as much as you can, guys, because BPO interview tutorials provide you a lot of content that will help to crack your interview. Do check out the playlist, guys. You will find videos related to trainers, QA, team lead, quality team lead, KPO, KRA, Excel dashboards, reports. You can also find attendance tracker, Six Sigma certification courses. Along with that, you will also find people management related videos. Please do check out and don't miss to subscribe and share the channel. So let's start today's concept, that is on how to change the date format, or else what are the different date formats available in the Excel sheets. So this is just a simple sheet, guys. I just want to show you how you can do this. First we will change the date format of the first one, and there are different ways to do that. First you can select the particular date format. There is a shortcut, guys. If you want today's date, that is control and semicolon. If you do that, you will get today's date. Again, I'm telling you guys, CTRL control and semicolon. If you do this, you will get current date, guys. Okay, if you want that. So I will change the date format of it. What you need to do, you need to do right click. If you do right click on this particular cell, go to format cell. If you go to format cell, you just need to go to numbers. In numbers you will find the option of date, and these are the different formats available which you guys can use, and you can use it in a different way, so that it will help you out in your graphs, dashboards and reports. So we do also have like in a different language, and if you're working with a different country, you can change this also, like for which country you are looking for and which kind of date format you are looking for. You can also check the things as per uh, the geography, guys. It will also show you the things in a different way. So first we will change a date format in this particular way, like I just want a date format, like I want days, then date, then year. See, guys, it got changed. It's like 15th October 2022 and it's Saturday. Let me change it to a different format, guys. Like what I can do, again I'll go to the show, right click, then I'll go to format cell, then I will just make it to in this particular way. I just want like 15 October 2022. If I want to do a few more changes, I can do here, guys. There are many options you can use, where it's like, okay, format cell, you will go to date, and these are the different format, guys. Mostly I have seen people are using the format like, I'll show you guys. Most of the time I have seen people are using this particular format because it will be easy, guys, to keep things sorted. So I have seen like people are using format in this particular way, which is, yes, here it is. Okay, this is also one kind of format, guys. It's totally on us, like what kind of format we require. Even you can go to the top of the header, you can search here like short date, long date. Okay, it's up to you, guys. There are different formats available for the dates. Okay, so on which way we want our data, we can do that. Okay, I'm again doing format cell, and I want the format in this particular way. Yes, it's done. So you can see year, then month, then date. You can do that. Even there are other ways as well. Let me check for a few more. Format cell, if you go to scroll it down, you will find a format like this. Okay, yeah, this is already being done actually, so that is the reason it not got changed. So in this way, guys, you can use and you can get your required format for which you guys are looking for. Okay, So this is all about the changing the format, guys. You can also do as per your requirement. Even there are few more format that is custom. If you click on custom, guys, whatever format you require, you can choose, guys. Like for an example, I just only want date and month example. If I do this, I will only get date and month. Have you seen the year is not there? So what you need to do, you just need to select the date. You need to click here, or if you know don't do click here, just do right click and go to format cell, then go to custom. At the end you will find custom. It will show you different format which are available. So see, guys, we are looking for the date and months. If you want month and year only, okay, you will get month and year here, guys. You will not get date here. Okay, format cell. If you again go to custom and you want like only these are for the minutes and hours, guys. If you are doing any changes in the times, you can use this. Okay, but here we are just only going with day, month and year. So these are the additional formats available. You can also choose this, so it will give you in a different way, guys, within 15th October 2022. So these are all the formats for the date, guys. You can use it in your reports, because sometimes what may happen, looking to this particular dates, it look really odd, guys. That is the reason I have seen that mostly people are using this particular format, like date and the month, guys, because although they are working with the current year, that is the reason. If you guys still have any doubt, guys, please let me know so that I can help you with. But please use it in your reports and dashboards, and especially in graphs, guys. It will really look good when you use a perfect date format. Still have any doubt, please share your feedbacks and comment, and don't miss to subscribe the channel. And also do check our social media page like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. You will find various information related to the vacancies which are coming up in various metro countries. So that's it from my side. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.